eToro versus Plus500. Which is better? If you're thinking about trading CFDs, stocks, or cryptocurrencies, two platforms likely at the top of your list are eToro and Plus500. They're both well known, widely used, and regulated, but they offer very different experiences. So today, we're comparing eToro versus Plus500 to help you figure out which one fits your trading style best. We'll look at key aspects like usability, features, fees, regulation, and more. Stick around because then you'll know exactly which one is right for you. User interface and ease of use. Let's start with the basic show. Easy to use. eToro offers a modern, colorful interface that's intuitive, beginner-friendly. Everything feels smooth from opening a trade to exploring portfolios. But what makes eToro stand out is its social trading. You can follow and copy the strategies of other successful traders in real time. It's like having a trading mentor built into the app. Plus500, on the other hand, goes for simplicity. The interface is clean and minimalistic, and trades can be executed in just a few clicks. It doesn't offer social features, but it's perfect if you want fast, no-frills trading without distractions. Winner: if you're a beginner or enjoy community features, eToro wins. But if you prefer a stripped-down, straightforward experience, Plus500 might be better. Assets and market access. Both platforms give you access to our markets with some differences. eToro offers CFDs on stocks, indices, commodities, Forex, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. But here's the bonus. In many regions, you can also buy actual stocks and crypto, not just trade them as CFDs. That means you can hold assets long-term without leverage or fees. Plus500, on the other hand, is strictly CFD-based. You'll find over 2,000 instruments, including many global stocks, ETFs, options, Forex pairs, and even niche commodities. It's more focused on short-term speculation. So if you're only interested in leveraged CFD trading, Plus500 is a great choice. But if you want the option to invest for the long term too, eToro offers more flexibility, trading tools, and features. eToro shines in community features. The Copy Trader tool lets you copy the moves of top-performing traders. Also a smart portfolio feature for automated investment strategies. However, charting and analysis tools are somewhat limited compared to pro platforms. Plus500 keeps things basic. You get price alerts, stop loss and take profit orders, and some technical indicators. But it lacks advanced charting or strategy tools, and there's no community element at all. So for social features and innovation, eToro is stronger. But for basic CFD execution, Plus500 keeps it simple, fast. Fees and spreads. Now let's talk about money. eToro charges no commissions on real stock or crypto purchases, but for CFDs it earns from spreads which can be wider than some competitors. Also, a $5 withdrawal fee and an inactivity fee after 12 months. Plus500 is also commission-free and spread. Its spreads are often tighter than eToro's, especially on Forex and indices. There are no deposit fees and free withdrawals up to a certain number per month. If you're a conscious trader, Plus500 tends to be a bit cheaper overall, but the difference is unless you trade frequently or in large volumes. Regulation and safety. Both platforms are highly regulated. eToro is licensed by financial authorities in the UK, FCA, Australia, ASIC, and Cyprus, CySEC. It's been around since 2007 as millions of users worldwide. Plus500 is equally trustworthy, also regulated by the ASIC and CySEC, among others. It's even listed on the London Stock Exchange, which adds another layer of credibility. So, in terms of trust and security, both are excellent in mobile trading. Both platforms have solid mobile apps. eToro's app replicates the desktop experience with ease, making social trading accessible on the go. Plus500's app is ideal for quick trades. It comes down to preference. Community features versus pure speed. Final verdict. So, which is better, eToro or Plus500? Choose eToro if you're a beginner, want to copy trades from top investors, or plan to mix CFD trading with long-term investing in assets. Choose Plus500 if you want a straightforward CFD platform with spreads, no distractions, and a clean interface. Both are secure, regulated, but they serve different types of traders. The best one depends on your goals. Which one fits your style? Let us know in the comments, and if this helped you decide, don't forget to hit that like button.